Welcome back to the channel where we explore everything bonsai. Today we're answering a common question. Should I fertilize my bonsai in the colder months? Stick around to learn the do's and don'ts of winter fertilization so your bonsai thrives all year round. Do you currently fertilize your bonsai in winter? Let me know in the comments. If you're passionate about growing these miniature trees or just getting started, you're in the right place. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our weekly tips. The role of fertilizer in winter. Most bonsai trees enter a dormant phase in winter. Unlike the active growth seasons of spring and summer, their nutrient needs change. Fertilizing at the wrong time or with the wrong type can harm your tree. Do's of winter fertilization 1. Know your bonsai type. Evergreens like junipers and pines remain semi-active in winter and can benefit from a mild, balanced fertilizer. Let us know which bonsai you have in the comments, and we'll let you know if it would benefit from a light winter fertilization. Tropical bonsai, if kept indoors with proper light and warmth, may still grow and need light fertilization. 2. Use slow-release fertilizer. Organic, slow-release fertilizers provide nutrients gradually, aligning with your tree's reduced needs in winter. 3. Monitor your bonsai's health. If your tree appears weak or stressed, a light dose of fertilizer can help. Winter is also an ideal time to check for signs of pests or disease. Don'ts of winter fertilization 1. Don't fertilize dormant, deciduous trees. Deciduous trees that have shed their leaves and gone dormant don't need fertilizer. Over-fertilizing can damage their roots or trigger unnecessary growth. 2. Avoid high nitrogen fertilizers. Nitrogen encourages growth, which isn't ideal during the slow-growing winter season. Use fertilizers low in nitrogen or with a balanced NPK ratio. 3. Don't overdo it. Over-fertilizing can stress your bonsai when its growth has naturally slowed. Less is more in winter. What's the biggest fertilization mistake you've made or avoided? Let us know in the comments to help others learn. And that's your guide to fertilizing bonsai in winter. Understanding your tree's needs is the key to success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a fellow bonsai lover. Don't forget to subscribe for more bonsai tips and tricks, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Here's a question for you. What's one thing you'll do differently this winter to care for your bonsai? Drop your answers below. I can't wait to read them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep growing strong.